Hi everyone, my name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how to take a trademark, how to register a trademark, how to apply your trademark application. When we talk about the trademark, trademark means your brand. You need to register, you need to protect your brand. So when we talk about how to take a trademark, so there are two modes of taking a trademark. The first mode is offline mode and the second mode is online mode. So in the offline mode, what you have to do is you have to submit the trademarks application in physical mode in the your jurisdiction office. So there are 5 jurisdictional office in India, and 5 offices are what? One is Kolkata, another is Delhi, then is Mumbai, then is your Chennai, then is Ahmedabad. So for example, you are from Uttar Pradesh, your office is Delhi. If you are from West Bengal, your office is Kolkata. You are from Karnataka, your office is Chennai. And these are the 5 offices where you can file your offline application. However, in the case of online application, you can file it on the trademarks portal, that is IP India. And in this case, you have to file all the documents on the online portal itself. Now I'll tell you how to file it and who can file it. Before that, we will discuss the fee. In the offline mode, if you are an individual or an MSME or a startup, if you're a person, then the fees for the offline mode is rupees 5,000 only. However, in the case of online mode, the fees is 4,500. That means you are getting 10% rebate in the case of your online mode application. So who can file offline and online application? So in the both the cases, two type of people can file it. One is you yourself can file your trademark application, and another is through attorney. For example, I am being Harshdeep Singh Narula. I am a trademark attorney myself. We have a different portal, our trademark portal. We file applications on behalf of our clients, and we keep every check through our portal. And then you can also file it yourself as well. So I'll teach you how you can file it yourself and how you can get it done through your attorney as well. When I talk about you file yourself, then in that case you need one thing, that is compulsory. You need to make your ID in the in your yourself mode. ID, what is your ID? You have to make your ID. Then you have to get your digital signatures. You have to get your DSC. Then you will make ID, you will get DSC, then you will get a code. Then after that you have to log in and file the application, prepare the application and file it. However, if you're getting it done through the attorney, you have to give your documents and the attorney will do everything for you by making the power of attorney. So then I'll teach you which documents are required and what kind of trademark where you can file it, like yourself or online mode. For example, you have to give your brand name and logo, if any. So why I say logo, if any? Logo is not compulsory. Logo means what? Logo means device in our trademark language. You have to give your brand name, you have to give logo, you have to give your business objects. What are your business objects? You have, if you're getting it done through your attorney, you have to give your phone number, email address, and PAN, copy of PAN and copy of Aadhaar to your attorney. Then your attorney will make what? Attorney will make power of attorney on a stamp paper so that he or she can file it on your behalf. If you're filing it yourself, you need these 4 documents, and instead of power attorney, you need what? You need your digital signatures. This is the case. So when we talk about digital signatures, the process of digital signature application is also different. Now we are talking how to take a trademark. So we discuss about the fee, we discuss about the mode, we discuss about the documents. Now we'll discuss which form will go. You will file form TMA. Form TMA, that is trademark application, with the 4,500 government fee plus professional fee. Then you will file your business objects, brand name, POA and all. Then trademark application is filed. Then after that it will go to Vienna codification, sent to Vienna codification. After that it will go to formalities check. Vienna codification goes when you are filing a logo. If you are filing directly a word application, then it will not go to Vienna codification. Then formalities check, then mark for exam, then examination. Then under examination, it will either be accepted or it will be marked for examination report, that is your objection. If it is accepted, I'll tell you what happens after it gets accepted. After I'll tell you what other processes are. If it's examination report, you will file reply to examination report. If it's satisfied, the officer is satisfied, it will be accepted. If the officer is not satisfied, the hearing will be marked. So in the case of hearing, you have to prove the merits. If you are doing it yourself, if your attorney is doing, the attorney will prove the merits, that why the objection is raised, and why our trademark application do not fall in that objection. So in the hearings there could be maximum 4 hearings. So we talked about what the process, full process. Now we'll talk after acceptance what happens. So for example, your trademark was accepted on the very first without any objection, or after reply to objection, or after the hearing, so it got accepted. So there is a 4 month window after that. It got accepted, and within a week it will be advertised. So after advertisement, there is a 4 month window. You have to wait 4 months to get it registered. So after it's registered, you will receive what? A registration certificate, an online copy in e-mode. You can also download it through the portal itself. If you have any other queries regarding the trademark or the brand registration, you can contact us 987-806-7337. Our offices are Delhi and Gurgaon. We also provide this service. We also do it online for our clients. Thank you very much.